राफेल विमान घोटाळ्याचो विशयाचेर सर्वोच्च न्यायालयान निकाल दिला, मात राफेल विशयाचेर भाजप आनी काँग्रेसीन लोकसभेच्या वेंचणुके मेरेन तापत दवरपाचो चिंतला अशेंच दिसता. शुक्रारा पणजेन काँग्रेसीचो म्हणयारो तशेंच आदलो केंद्रीय मंत्री जयपाल रेड्डीन काँग्रेस हावजांत पत्रकार परिशद घेतली. रेड्डी म्हणटा सर्वोच्च न्यायालयान खोलायेन चवकशी करून निर्णय दिवपाक जाय आसलो, कारण केंद्र सरकारान राफेल सौद्याचेर न्यायालयांत खोटी म्हायती दिल्या. ताची चवकशी जावप गरजेची आसली. जेन्ना आमी सरकारान दिल्ले म्हायतीचेर बोट दवरतकीच सरकार न्यायालयांत चूक सुदारपा खातीर धांवले आनी चुकून टायप जाला अशें म्हणून फटिंगपणां लिपोवपाचो प्रयत्न भाजप सरकारान केला असो आरोप रेड्डीन केला.
Congress party never went to Supreme Court. Please note. So Congress party is not in the Supreme Court for the simple reason our well considered stand from the beginning has been that JPC inquiry is the only way out. Even before Supreme Court judgment, we cried foul because the CAG was not submitting the report. Mr. Modi has destroyed all institutions. Democracy does not depend only on periodic holding of elections. It depends on the culture of the autonomy of institutions and respect for conventions. Mr. Modi's government has interfered with CBI, Election Commission. Now it has interfered with the CAG. It is twisting CAG in such a manner as not to produce the report. But they somehow managed to give an impression to Supreme Court the CAG had already prepared a report. The same had been looked into by PAC. It was this misunderstanding, it was this wrong impression given deliberately, mischievously by the government, which has been misunderstood by the Supreme Court. Consequently, based judgment on that. Government should agree to JPC. Why do we prefer JPC? There is no understanding in JPC. Mr. Arun Shouris makes it a point to tell us that in the JPC, members of parliament of all sides are there. They can never agree. While that may be so, the basic feature of parliamentary committee is it can pursue the truth to the logical limit. No other institution can pursue the truth so much as JPC. It can call every officer before it.
वित्त मंत्री सत्य भायर येत म्हूण भिला म्हूण तो खरी परिस्थिती लिपोवपा खातीर वावुरता असो आरोप रेड्डीन केला.
Mr. Arun Jaitley is not afraid of conclusions. is afraid of facts. He wants to hide in darkness. He wants to avoid the dazzling light of truth. The truth is, Mr. Modi had favored Anil Ambani's company blatantly, brazenly. There is no controversy on the quality of Rafale aircraft. None of us made an issue of the quality of Rafale. The real thing is about the price, about the procedure, and the choice of offset partner. And the fourth is technology transfer. In the case of Jaguar aircraft,
प्रधानमंत्री नरेंद्र मोदी सगळे निर्णय शहनशाह असल्यासारखे घेता. ताका देशाचे कायदे समिती कितेंच लागना. राफेल डील करतानाय तांणी डिफेन्स मंत्री मनोहर पर्रीकाराक कुशीक दवरून सय केल्या अशें जयपाल रेड्डी उलयलो.
Mr. Modi took a decision like a medieval monarch. See, Louis XIV, French sovereign, said in France, though in 18th century, I am the state. Mr. Modi also seemed to say, I am the state. CAG doesn't matter. His own department doesn't matter. He did it like a Shahnshah. After that, this procedure had to be agreed to. Sorry, this deal had to be agreed to through laid down procedure. At every stage there was a problem. Since I am in Goa, I must talk about the role of Mr. Manohar Parrikar. Mr. Manohar Parrikar was not taken to Paris. How could such a gigantic deal involving a foreign exchange outgo of rupees 60,000 crore be agreed to without the defense minister?